How to use WhatsApp on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily use WhatsApp on your laptop. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing that you need to do is open up your browser and search for WhatsApp download. And once you search for WhatsApp download, you can just go ahead and download the application, or you can also use the web version of WhatsApp if you don't want the application. Now the process is the same, so go ahead and open up your WhatsApp web or WhatsApp application on your laptop. Now you'll be given a QR code on your screen, and you just have to open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the three lines icon and tap on link devices to scan the QR code. Or if you just want to log in with your phone number, go ahead and tap on login with phone number. You'll just have to enter phone number here and enter the code that you get on your number. I'm just going to show you with the QR code. So I'm just going to open up my phone here and then go to my WhatsApp to link devices. Now from here, I'm just going to tap on link a device to scan a QR code. And now I'm just going to scan the code like this. And as you can see, I am automatically logged into my WhatsApp on my PC. It will load up all of these chats as well. So it's pretty simple. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.